Perhaps the biggest reason to be involved with solar energy overall is my belief in at least trying to live an ethical lifestyle. Now that I'm retired, I have more time to garden and really started it and found out about native gardening, that if you plant native flowers and plants and trees, they'll attract butterflies and bees and birds and give them a place to live. And that overall fits in with a way of living that emphasizes less carbon imprint, protect us from global warming, our house and our land being more sustaining for the environment. I guess a goal to work on in my retirement years, and also something that my granddaughter is learning with me and she really enjoys. I never guessed 10 years ago I would be thinking about which bird is that by the sound they make, or which flower is that, but now we're investigating it, and the solar panels are another investigation. We can look on our little phone or my iPad and see exactly how much energy we're saving by using solar panels instead of a carbon or a fossil fuel way of doing it. And it even tells us on the thing, it's very nice what the product they gave us says. It even tells you how many trees you've saved. I think we've saved 4 so far since we've started our process. The second reason I went solar was because of the cost savings. I'm paying up front for them, but there are credits and lots of rebates that help. And so the solar panels will actually pay themselves off in 17 years, but they're guaranteed for 25 years. So in the end, I'll make money on it. My energy will be reduced about 75 to 80%, and that makes a difference to me to having a lower monthly payment now that I'm retiring. The actual installation process went very well. I was very impressed by how they used a checklist system. They did a checklist when they came to greet me. They did a checklist of what they were doing each day. They did a checklist at the end to make sure I was well trained and able to use it. So I always knew the process all along the way and knew that they were double checking everything they did, and they had cleared it all with UCity and gotten the proper permits. So it all went very, very smooth. The company's performance was overall good. I mean, I would recommend them to anyone. There was no problems at all. There's just one more thing, and now I got to get my electric car someday, so I'm waiting for that.